Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create group chat on TikTok and fix if you can't do this. So actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application and then click on the inbox button at the bottom right corner. After that, in this interface, if you want to make a group chat, you need to click on the plus button at the top left corner. And after that, in this interface there might be a button to create a group chat. So actually, as you can see, I have no button to do this. So actually, the first thing you need to do to fix this issue is to go to your App Store application or maybe Google Play. And after that, in the search bar, you need to type TikTok. After that, you need to click on the TikTok and then you need to make sure you downloaded the last version of this application. So if you have new updates available, you should download them. Maybe it will fix your problem. So after that, if you still got this problem, you need to open your TikTok application again, and then at the bottom right corner you need to click on the profile icon. Then at the top right corner again, click on the three lines button, and then settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll down and find support and about section, and then click on the first option, report a problem. So after that, in this interface, you need to click on the interaction option, and then you need to find direct message option and then click on that. After that, you need to click on the other button. So after that, you will see this interface. You need to click on the last option, need more help. And then you will see this chat, so it will be open automatically. All you need to do is to click on the send a message and then type report a problem here. After that, you will receive this message, then click on the submit a ticket button, and then you will see this interface. So all you need to do is to describe your problem. So actually, for example, hello, I have no button to create a group chat. Please help me to fix this issue. So then you can actually add some screenshots to prove your problem, and after that you need to click on the submit button, and then TikTok support will receive your message and reply to a message for a few hours or maybe a few days. So and after that your problem will be fixed. So and that's all, and that's how to create group chat on TikTok and fix if can't. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.